This is a guide on reinstalling the front assembly on the Apple iPhone 8 Plus. For the installation process, we'll need the following tools: a heat gun, a plastic pick, tweezers, an exacto knife, small tri-wing screwdriver, small flat screwdriver, and a small phillips screwdriver. The front assembly consists of the frame, the glass digitizer, and the LCD screen. You will need to replace the entire front assembly if any of these components are broken. It is important to turn the phone off before you start. Hold the power button and confirm the shutdown on screen. The first step is to remove the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of the iPhone. Once the screws are removed, use the heat gun to warm the adhesive around the perimeter of the iPhone. Insert a plastic pick between the glass and the aluminum body. Gently move the pick around the perimeter of the device. Once separation is achieved, open the iPhone as a book. The next step is to remove the metal shield that secures the battery connector and the two front assembly connectors. The shield is held in place with 4 Phillips screws. Most screws in the iPhone are different sizes, so you'll need to keep in mind the position of each screw. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 Phillips screws. Remove the metal shield. Using a plastic pick, disconnect the battery. Using the same plastic pick, pop open the 2 front assembly connectors. Now we have to remove the small narrow shield which secures the front camera connector. Use a tri-wing screwdriver to remove the 2 screws holding the shield in place. Remove the shield. Using a plastic pick, gently pop open the connector. Set the main body aside and place the front assembly on the desk. We have to transfer some important components from the old assembly onto the new one, namely the home button, the big metal shield, and the front camera. Start with the home button. There are 4 tri-wing screws that hold a small metal shield and the home button in place. Remove the screws and set the shield aside. Using a plastic pick, open the connector. Gently pry off the glued flex cable and remove the home button. Proceed on removing the upper shield covering the speaker box and the ribbon cable with the front camera and proximity sensors. Remove 5 Phillips screws holding the shield. Remove the shield. Set the speaker box aside. Using an exacto knife, unglue the speaker box ribbon cable and the front camera and the proximity sensors from the frame. Set it aside. Now we can remove the big metal shield covering the LCD. Using the tri-wing screwdriver, remove 3 screws on the right side, 2 screws on the left, and 1 more screw at the bottom. Unglue the front assembly cables from the rectangular shaped piece of tape and set the shield aside. Discard the old front assembly. Place the new front assembly onto the desk. We have to mount the home button, the big metal shield, and the front camera on the replacement part. Start with the big metal shield. Thread both front assembly cables through the hole and secure them with tape. Replace the Phillips screw at the bottom of the shield. Then take the tri-wing screwdriver and replace 2 screws on the left side and 3 more screws on the right side. Take the camera and sensors ribbon cable and carefully guide each component in its slot. Replace the speaker box. Guide the front camera in its slot and cover it with a metal shield. Secure it with 5 Phillips screws. The next step is to replace the home button. Thread the button cable through the hole, making sure that the cable goes under the connector. Close the connector. Cover the home button with a metal shield and secure it with 4 tri-wing screws. Now we can reconnect the new front assembly to the main body. Position the front assembly at the right angle to the main body, aligning it at the right edge. Reconnect the front camera cable. Replace the small narrow shield and secure it with 2 tri-wing screws. Reconnect the other 2 connectors to the logic board. Reconnect the battery. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. All connectors are extremely fragile. Replace the metal shield and secure it with 4 Phillips screws. At this stage we can test the screen. Press the power button, and if the startup graphics appear, the front assembly is installed correctly and we can finish the replacement process. Turn the phone off. Snap the front assembly into the case by going along the perimeter and pressing on its edges. Replace the 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom. Turn the phone on, and we're done.